Back in the 60s and the 70s, travelers from across countries in Europe and the US set out on a long journey which was known as the Hippie Trail, and Goa was supposed to be the final destination on this legendary Hippie Trail. Good evening guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin and today I've come to Anjuna because I want to explore the Anjuna flea market. This is the parking area. It's quite a spacious place. It looks like a huge ground, and these ladies here, they will provide you the parking receipt. So I paid for my two-wheeler 50 rupees for 4 hours. This is going to be a walking tour. That's where I had parked my bike, and this here is a little chapel, and this is where I am guessing the market begins because there are so many stalls here. Alright, so first of all, as you can see here, there are shops here with a lot of colorful clothing. So if you have a rainbow palette, if you're someone who believes in the hippie culture, there are clothing, all sorts of different clothes that are available here. Many are available with psychedelic prints, and it's like free artwork and crochets. There are so many things that are available here, even hats and everything. So there are multiple stalls. I don't know if anybody is over here. आपका है? अच्छा, मेरे को रेट्स जानना था. लेट्स सी हाउ गुड द रेट्स आर. ये सब का रेट्स क्या है? 950 का है. ओके. और शर्ट्स वगैरह जो है वहाँ पे
अलग अलग भैया, अलग अलग प्राइस है.
स्टार्टिंग रेंज कितना है?
कम हो जाएगा भैया, 450
450-500 के रेंज में बार्गेन कर सकते हैं. ओके, ऑल राइट. सो लेट मी जस्ट गो हेड. आगे में चेक करके आता है. सो आई वॉन्ट टू चेक आउट अदर स्टॉल्स एज वेल. So it's basically like clothes, and there are so many different things here. There are these like bracelets and all. So if bargaining is a sport which you are good at, you will have a very good time here because it totally depends upon your bargaining skills. You can get a very good rate. Obviously the rates are a bit on the higher side because these guys want to get value for the products that they sell as well, because they have to pay for the stalls. So accordingly the prices they are charged. And what's this here? So there are spices as well: green cardamom, vanilla powder, tea masala. So much. In the last video, if you saw Mapsa market, there are so many options here, but it smells so fragrant over here. Look at this. So this is called chocolate black tea. I haven't seen this. Goan black tea, mango black tea. So there are so many different kinds of tea here if you visit. Alright, already interesting stuff guys. Again there are clothes. So most of the market is like clothes. You can see here the ladies here are trying some bracelets and stuff. So it's super cool. Even there are so many different kinds of bags that are available here. I want to find out the rates of the bags because I'm sure you guys will be interested in this. ये सब का रेट्स क्या है? ये सब का रेट्स क्या है बैग्स का?
अलग अलग है सर.
क्या रेंज में?
950 का है, 1200 का है.
अच्छा, 950, 1200. और वो
इसमें भी अलग अलग है. 950 है, 850 है.
ओके ओके. सो 950 से स्टार्ट होता है.
हाँ.
ओके. ये सब भी वही रेंज में?
वो 1200 वाला.
1200. कम होता है कि नहीं? ओके ओके, मैं देखता हूँ. सो as you heard in the video, she said that it starts from like 950 and goes up to 1200. Dream catchers here, and I asked her straightforward if you can bargain, and she was like, yes, definitely you can bargain. Just look at the colorful designs guys. There's so much of there's a pop of colors on each and every thing that you see here. Check this out. Super cool bed sheets, and if you're thirsty, there's sugarcane juice as well. So I'm going to definitely come. Thank you. Right, so such a cool market. The sun is going to set. Thank you. So there's ice cream guy as well, but guys, I've had experiences where I've got charged triple, so I never buy ice cream from these guys. Check this out. There's so much. And I'm not sure like what material this is, like what it's made out of. I don't think it's copper. It's definitely got some coating, but I mean, if you are into someone who wants fancy door handles and antique pieces. Look at this, like this clock here. There's so much here. Check this out. This is that instrument with which, you know, if you hit this, you can come up with different sounds. I have no idea how to play this. And look at this. So these are the regular t-shirts that you get everywhere in Baga and Kalangut. Such a cool place. So most of it I can see 70% of it is clothes. What's this? Wow. Just check these stones out. They look so damn good. Like, I have never seen crystal formations that are that huge, and it has so much of variety of colors. Like this one here, if you see, it has shade of maroon. This one is like light pink. This is more on the darker side. This is a bit of like turquoise and stuff. So this is something very interesting. And again, here you have something totally different. So every stall, almost every stall, gives you a totally different experience. Look at this. So these are like ships in a bottle. They can be very nice souvenirs. Again, more dream catchers here. So lots and lots of dream catchers. Again, there are more crystals, and wow, this is so good, guys. I wish I wish I had a bigger place to keep all this. I would have definitely gone for it. Check this out. I don't know if they are real or what, but the shells look so good. Okay, let's continue further, because this market is a huge place. So those of you who have long hair and who want to braid and get dreadlocks and all that, it's all available here in Anjuna. So the history of this market is back in the days when the hippies, so-called hippies, the international tourists who believed in who left their regular way of living and who believed in freedom and peace, who came here to Goa. Once they were running out of cash, what they would do is they would sell their stuff. And guys, I highly recommend these bags. I have one of these bags, so you can get it for like 150 200. I know the price. इसका क्या रेट है? 100 में मिलेगा?
कितना पसंद?
वीडियो के लिए बता रहे हैं,
कितना लेते?
बता रहे वीडियो में अभी जितना लोग आएगा उतना कम से कम कितना में आएगा? 100 में आएगा कि 150? 150. Okay, so she's saying that it's for 150. है मेरे पास. Okay, so lots of things here. Again, there are many bags. So as I was talking about the history of this place, so when the hippies ran out, okay, this is Poder. He has the local bread man. So once they would run out of money, they would sit here on their stalls and they would sell different kinds of stuff. So I can only imagine, in those days in India, getting international products was rare. So yes, it would have been quite an interesting market, but things have changed so much, and now instead of the foreign hippie tourists, there are Indian tourists. They seem to be like from North India, places like Rajasthan, and there are the people who are selling the bags were gypsies. So they are the ones who always sell the bag. And look at this here, there are many magnets. You can find this almost everywhere in Kalangut and Baga, the magnets especially. And again, this is the instrument guy. Wow, check this out. This is what I was talking about. Thank you. No, thank you. Everyone wants me to buy something, but I already have so many like different things at home. I don't want to stuff the room with more things. In fact, I want to get rid of some of the things. Right, so look at this. So there are like bangles and earrings. This is for the ladies. I don't know if it is silver or I think it's termed as oxidized metal, if I'm not sure. But just look at how much is there here. So if you are into getting semi-precious stones and rings and stuff, there's so much of variety here. Right, let's move on. Again, the ice cream man, triple the rate. No thank you. Okay, so more and more rings and bracelets here. Again, clothes here. Okay, so if we see rings and bracelets and clothes now, we're going to skip it. This is the crystal section. Again, masalas, spices, as you know it. Okay, so there is a left and a right. sunglasses, cheap sunglasses, very useful in Goa if you're heading to the beach or if you're riding the bike, you know, even if you lose something, you wouldn't mind. Where do I go? There's a left and right. Okay, let's go to the left here. Left looks interesting. Okay, again there are like rings and everything over here. Wow, this is such a huge market. I had been here like many years ago, maybe 12 or 13 years ago. I don't even remember which way I was walking. I remember there was a restaurant, there was like a live band playing. And look at these instruments. She's playing that, it sounds very soothing. Okay, more clothes shop, and check this cool cafe or restaurant or juice center. Looks so nice. Okay, so I saw someone walking with a baby stroller. In case if you have a baby and a stroller, or if you have elderly people, be ready for this, because you know it's like off the beat track. Wow, this is huge, guys. This market is I really don't know how long it is, but it is quite a huge place and there are so many people. So it's held every Wednesdays. I checked the timings online. It is from 8 in the morning to 7 in the evening. That's what they mentioned, but do check it out. And there is no entry fee as such to the market. The entry is free. You just have to pay for parking in case if you have a two-wheeler. Okay, now this is interesting. This is something that I have not seen. So these are like rugs, I believe, or some things to store inside. Look at this. So this is like a seat, you know, like a bean bag sort of a thing. So that's very cool. Again, bags, more of the jute bags. Okay, so that way as well is the same thing. Now let me go ahead, and I saw a left turn. Let me see what is there on the left here. So as you can see, even though it's the month of April, there are so many people. I can see some international tourists as well. Some of them are still here, they haven't gone back. So at this market you'll find people from all around the world, literally. Definitely people visit here from all over the country. But I wasn't really expecting so many people to be here. It's quite a surprise. Again, clothes, and look at this. If you're walking, be careful because there are steps and stones down. Be mindful of where you step. Okay, so ladies, this is for you, 200 rupees. And these are different sorts of incense sticks. Yeah, so this is something different that I've seen. Incense sticks, I really don't know what that is. Looks a bit scary. I'll skip that. Huge Kolhapuri chappal. This reminds me of one of my friend who would never get his size, and he watches the video. So this one is for you. I won't take the name, but yeah, these are like made out of leather and buffalo leather. Okay. What's the rate for all this?
Saddle here like this.
Okay.
Special. I make this. Leather.
So if you are interested in buffalo leather, you can visit this gentleman.
Is the best design for this.
Can I hold it and see?
Yes.
It feels very sturdy and looks very durable as well, but I don't know really like how comfortable it would be. Once you keep wearing it, maybe it will take the shape of the feet, right? No answer, but okay. So yeah, there is a lot here as well. What is the range?
got different price. You can show that.
Yeah, and here as well.
Different design.
Like approximately starting, ending how much?
Starting 500 rupees.
500 rupees, okay.
It's
So,
not Kolhapuri. Just little Kolhapuri is 300.
okay,
I'm not selling Kolhapuri. Only I'm selling Goa handmade leather chappal.
okay,
You
okay.
check my Instagram. Many design there.
What's your Instagram name?
Raju Marathe.
Raju Maharaj.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care, bro.
Thank you, take care. So yes, again there are more stalls here and now we are out on the road. So I am guessing this is the right that we skipped. No, thank you. Again there's a sugarcane juice guy right here, but I am well hydrated because I just left my place around 20 or 25 minutes ago. Maybe later during the day I'll go for some juice. Okay, so pretty interesting, quite a long market. I'm just trying to see if I've missed something. Let me go that side. There is a really beautiful looking chapel here with this bougainvillea tree. Let me go. Since I've come here, might as well go and check what this place is all about. So people have parked their bikes as well over here. I'm not sure how they got here, but we had to pay like 50 rupees for parking, and just look at this, how beautiful this looks. So that's the chapel that I was talking about. Wow, after so many years of living in Goa, there are still so many lanes and streets that I haven't been to, and each one has a different story. Wow, so there were so many people there, and then there's literally like nobody over here. Just check this side. So I'm back at this point. I had taken a left and a right, but I didn't really come this way. So let's go and find out what's there on this side. As I mentioned earlier, it's mostly clothes. Okay, this is something that has a sale going on, one for 300, two for 500, anything. So there are a lot of people here. There's a sale going on here. And okay, now this is something that is unique. There are some musical instruments that are sold here. Look at this. So this looks very good as well. If you play this, I think these are called Buddhist bowls, and they sound very soothing as well. Okay, and here there are lots of paintings, bed sheets. So it's mostly bohemian, creative, hippie, people who've let their creative juices flow and who've come up with different sorts of knitting and then crochet and freehand sort of designs. Look at this. So there are so many I think these are linen. I'm not really sure. Let me just touch. Yeah, feels like linen, or no, maybe not for this price. Maybe like very thin cotton material. And yes, talking about the dress code, in case if you're coming here, most of the times it's going to be warm. So wear something that is light and airy, so you won't feel hot. Okay, this side of the market is something that is quite interesting because I can see a variety of stalls. It's not just like clothes, but there are different sorts of things. Like look at this. I didn't see something like this before. This is like a little storage sort of a thing that you can carry. Again, there are souvenirs, and these are different sorts of fridge magnets that you can buy. And within a few minutes we are going to have a really beautiful sunset. So where are we? Okay, Pisco. I saw this restaurant on Google when I was trying to find out where Anjuna Flea Market is on the maps. Again, look at this, such a huge incense sticks shop. So as I said, it's an open air setting, and it looks so damn gorgeous and so colorful. Just look at this. Look at the trees, the coconut trees, the blue skies, and just check this restaurant out. It looks super cool. I don't know if I can go in and just have a look at the atmosphere, but let's see that later. Guess what? The market is not over yet. There are some more stalls here. So I know guys this is going to be a long video, but in case if you are planning to visit here, you can watch this video. Look at this. There are more stalls here, mostly clothes stalls, but I can see sun rays coming in, and there might be a very beautiful view of the beach from here. So yes, I am right. Let me see, head over and see what is there that side. Look at this guys, cross at such a beautiful location. I mean, this is insanely gorgeous. Wow, look where we've reached. Okay, back to where we came from, but you have to get a glimpse of this part of the market as well if you like the ocean. I mean, I'm always drawn to where there's water, and that looked like a very nice place to watch the sunset. So like I said in the video, you know, many years ago when I had come to this market, I remember watching a gig in a restaurant. I think it was this one. This looks very familiar. Okay, now back to the market. Guess what guys, the market is like a never-ending market. I'm just going round and round, but I've definitely not come towards this side. I think I have covered almost 80% of it, but not very sure.
Yes, madam. Looking free. I'm just looking
What's this? So there's an old couple, they are selling something over here. I don't know what this is. स्टैम्प है, अच्छा इसका इंक ब्लॉक बेचता है, बट उसको इंक में डाल के स्टैम्प करते हैं. ओके. For a moment I didn't really get my words out properly, but yeah, he says that these are like stamps, and they don't have the ink, but you can purchase the ink and you can use these as stamps. There are even letters over here, so many different kinds of designs. In case if you are interested in this, so these are the gentlemen, this is the couple.
I am
Gujarati, that's nice.
Sari, Gujarati.
You sell saris also? Okay,
I like Pashmina.
that's nice. How many languages you can speak in?
I'm the French, Sweden, Russian, Italian.
All languages.
But all understand little.
Little bit,
Yeah.
that's okay.
This is a market Anjuna.
Anjuna market, yeah.
My
That's
name Anju. This is Anil. My husband.
Anju Anil in Anjuna market.
Yeah, Anju
Okay.
Anil. Don't forget.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
So if you interact with most of the vendors in Goa, they do speak like different languages, but yeah, they know a little bit of everything. But that's so cool. They can interact in so many different languages. Right. So again now, a section here which has like bed sheets and stuff. Kashmiri shawls. Okay, so you can even get these. I want to ask him the rate of these shawls. बस ये क्या रेंज में है?
कौन सा चाहिए आपको? याकूल का
याकूल का
याकूल का है आपको
1200. Okay. Okay, so these I've never like touched Yakul, but it's so soft. Like this is the first time I'm trying this. And Kashmiri Jamawar shawl. So there's so much here. Like, you know, if you are someone who uses shawls, especially if you are coming from cold countries, this place here will be worth a visit for you guys. Okay, thank you. So if you want something to braid your hair, they have these things here as well. Okay, so yes, this looks like a familiar place. I think I have finally made it towards the end of the market. It's always good to go inside roads and lanes that you've never been to. Look where I am. So I think I know where I am. That side there is Shiva Valley, Curly's. That's where all the psychedelic trance parties happen. and just see the view behind me. So that was the restaurant, I think, if I remember the name, Pisco by the beach, if I remember correctly. Anyway, but I'm just blown away by the view here, guys. It is incredibly beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the tour and found it informative, and hopefully I can visit many more places like these in the future. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.